welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto finance or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, just after 7:34 p.m. here in Melbourne, Australia, just keeping an eye on the crypto markets. There are some updates to go through today. We did dip just below that $102,000 mark, which is quite frustrating, but we're back up to 103 right now, so I'm not complaining. It's remaining quite steady, which is a positive sign. XRP overtakes USDT as the third largest crypto after 10% price surge. Of course, XRP is number one. We have SEC Chairman Paul Atkins. They did have that roundtable discussion as well yesterday, which is nice. We're going to watch a video on X for that. Spot Bitcoin ETF see $5 million in inflows, so it has dipped a bit. And of course, we had Michael Saylor last night buy 13,390 Bitcoin, which is just unbelievable. He's worked out a money glitch and just raising so much freaking capital. I don't know if it's dangerous, but he seems to know what he's doing with it. Dubai partnering with Crypto.com. The S&P 500, which is very, very bullish. Congratulations to Coinbase as well. Again, it's freaking amazing. They're entering the S&P 500 on May 19th. That is a milestone for any startup, and especially crypto. That is huge. So the, again, top most valuable companies in the S&P, or I should say the entire stock market. So very, very nice to see that. Brian Armstrong will be very proud. I'm proud, given the fact that I'm starting my own crypto exchange. That's exciting for the crypto community. So well done. Round of applause, guys. Anyway, let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you can see on my channel, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting very interesting in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find ladies and gentlemen do that. So make sure you give it a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You rock. Also, a little disclaimer. Oh my God, I smashed my face. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence for this stuff. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. All right, so please be careful out there. Sorry, I just dropped my elbow. Keeping it raw, guys, keeping it raw. Also, I just wanted to say a big thank you to those of you that purchased Money Never Sleeps. People are buying it. People are reading it. Thank you so much. There is so much useful information in here, guys. It really will help you in your dividend and investing journey on Wall Street. It's very different to cryptos, but this is providing me passive income. Again, I've been doing it now for a very long time, and there's a lot of trial and error that has gone into this book, and I really hope you get a lot of value out of it. Honestly, guys, it will really change the way you think about investing money, and I hope it brings you a lot of value. So the Wall Street Bull official, go get it. It's helping me out during these difficult times that we're all freaking living in at the moment. It's madness, but hopefully it can open your eyes to something different and make money while you sleep. That is why I've called it Money Never Sleeps. All right, so go get it, the Wall Street Bull official. Anyway, I'm going to flip the camera around. Let's get into the video, guys. Stick around. All right, guys, as you can see here, thank you very much to all of you, 77,000.1. So thank you so much. There is literally 1,500 videos that I've made. That's a lot of videos. That's a lot of years and time documenting all of this for all of you, and I really appreciate every single one of you. It's changed my life for sure. These are all my videos, so go check them out. Really useful information there, guys. Now, coming over to the community tab, thank you to all of you that read this as well. Top altcoins in my portfolio this morning: Sologenic, Nextra, Rose, and XVG. And here is Strategy's, again, announcement on X last night. $1.34 billion, 13,390 Bitcoin. They now hold 568,840 Bitcoin. Again, that is unbelievable to see that. So they are genuinely trying to compete with BlackRock, who currently hold over 600,000 Bitcoin. So it's just unbelievable to see it. Everyone's just trying to buy up as much as possible. Coming over to CoinMarketCap, let's click right here. We are again, sitting at $3.3 trillion, which is unbelievable because, again, only a couple of weeks ago, this was below 3 trillion. So it's nice to see that, guys. And $160 billion in volume. The Ethereum Greed Index is sitting at 71, which is nice to see that. The Bitcoin ETFs, let's have a look here. We're at negative $9 million May 12th. So again, it's a pretty rough day in the markets for crypto. Again, it happens all the freaking time, but we know the utility of it. Coming over to the prices, let's have a look. Again, excuse my screen. It's so freaking dusty in the office. There we go. We've got 103,000 for Bitcoin. It's still up 9% in 7 days. Ethereum sitting at 2,481. XRP $2.55. Now, again, this did flip Tether today, but it's slightly dropped back. It's still up freaking 21% in the last 7 days, 5% in 24 hours, 2%, as you can see in the last hour. So freaking bullish. I don't believe in the next year or two we'll see this ever again at this price. I'm just saying once these ETFs go live. Solana as well, $173. Let's move down here. Doge is at 22 cents, as you can see. Cardano, I am bullish on that, 80 cents. Sui, up 21.78% as well, sitting at $4. All right, so again, Raoul Pal apparently is heavy and overweighted with Sui. So he's holding basically a lot of Sui. Keep that one in your mind. And XLM is sitting at 30 cents. Hedera at 20 cents. So these are the coins I'm bullish on. Now, where is XDC? No one ever speaks about this. Literally, I haven't heard anyone speak about it. Again, 7 cents. This, in my opinion, is an undervalued gem, not financial advice. Go look up Sinfin, all right? Now, moving on, Earn Curve. Yes, thank you to those of you that have signed up. A couple of you did last night. Thank you so much. There are currently 626 people on my wait list, so thank you so much. I'm still waiting for AUSTRAC, the Australian crypto regulator. I'm not pushing them, but they have got my information and they're making their assessment, so that's freaking awesome. Thank you to AUSTRAC. First name, last name, email, phone number. Go sign up. Put your phone number in here as well. Again, starting in Australia and eventually moving overseas and abroad. United States, Asia Pacific region, of course the UAE, Europe, and of course South America and South Africa, the whole freaking world. This is what I'm going for, guys. Thank you very much. And those of you that have donated to the to obviously Earn Curve, you've joined the Founders Circle. So thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And I'm just keep pushing it, guys. Keep pushing every single day. I work nonstop. And yes, money never sleeps. This will be the best $40 you've ever spent. I'm not kidding. Go get a copy of the book, guys. It will really help you to learn and educate yourself on passive income through Wall Street, all right? So go get it. It's an ebook. Once you add it to cart, you'll be able to get the download link. You'll be able to download it straight away and start reading it. Read it 10 times if you have to understand, okay? Just go do it, okay? Go get a copy of it. Pause this video and go get it. The link is below. XRP overtakes USDT as the third largest crypto. I would love to see this flip Ethereum, just saying. Moving down, XRP surged over 10% in the past 24 hours and reached 2.6, again, $2.60, lifting the market cap approximately 152 billion and reclaiming its position as the third largest crypto asset. As you can see down here, look at that. It just flipped USDT, but there's so much volume in USDT, there would have to be significant price and of course market cap to flip it and stay there. But just keep in mind, XRP did flip. Sorry, my camera's a bit blurry. XRP did flip Ethereum. It did in 2018. You can go search it on the history of CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So, and again, narrowly pushed Ripple's flagship crypto ahead of Tether, which also achieved a major milestone. USDT market cap hit $150 billion for the first time on Monday. So things are growing, especially with stable coins. This one is the big one, but Paul Atkins did have the round table meeting, and there was a bit of a recorded video that was taken. Someone was in the audience listening to Paul, which is awesome. But the Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Paul Atkins has orchestrated a fundamental overhaul of America's approach to digital asset oversight announcement made during the SEC's Crypto Task Force. Can't even symposium or whatever it is, marks a decisive departure from the Commission's previous enforcement-led strategy, which was Gary Gensler. And where is Gary? He's missing. The comprehensive reform package centers around vital components establishing clear pathways, digital asset issuance, modernizing custody requirements, reimagining trading infrastructure, and the strategic pivot aims to foster innovation whilst maintaining robust market safeguards. That is important. You need market safeguards because there's too many clowns in this space who want to take advantage of people. And that is not going to happen with EarnCurve. I can assure you of that. All right. So be careful of these meme coins that you're buying. Utility cryptocurrencies, the top 10 by market cap. You can't go wrong, in my opinion. Just be careful. All right. I don't want to see anyone get wrecked with this stuff. Bitcoin sees a week $5 million of inflow, even if Bitcoin hits 105,000. And again, it has dropped quite a bit. I'm not worried about it because it's just part of the market, all right? So people buy and sell all the freaking time. Dubai partners with Crypto.com for government crypto payments. That is bullish. Love Dubai, and I cannot wait to get back to the UAE. Look at this right here. And again, targets 90% cashless transactions and AED 8 billion boost by 2026. So they're all going cashless. And I hate these pop-ups, but that is amazing. Well done, Dubai, and well done to Crypto.com. But look at this. The S&P 500 to add Coinbase. Shares jump 8%. That is a milestone. Well done, Brian Armstrong and the team at Coinbase. Proud to see another crypto company here moving into the S&P 500. That is enormous. And we'll join the index before the market opens on May 19th. Coinbase will replace Discover Financial, the DFS, as part of the Capital One merger with DFS. And the listing marks a major development for Coinbase, which debuted on the NASDAQ in 2021. So it's very exciting. Well done to Coinbase. That is an achievement and a half. Coming over to X, I'm getting so many freaking emails at the moment, guys. Let me just turn this up. Now, again, thank you to those 8,995 people. I don't know what's going on there. It's fluctuating a bit, but anyway. And yes, that is hilarious. I just had to post that. Today I made coffee with Red Bull instead of water. Now I can see noises. I found that freaking hilarious. Now, this is an interesting one. President Trump has accepted a 747 from Qatar use as Air Force One. Look at it. How beautiful is that? I love that. That's amazing. Now, XRP, yes, we've gone over that. This is the interview I put on my TikTok last night. Bitcoin surges. Have a listen at this. It's fascinating.
Onslaught of ETF.
Let me just bring this back.
We talked about the 3 reasons why no longer trading as a tech bundle, in the tech bundle, inflation hedge, and this sort of catch up to gold type trade. Now with this sort of onslaught of ETF flows, we have a 4th characteristic, which is just scarcity. Bitcoin miners cannot produce Bitcoin as fast as this overwhelming demand. So I don't think it's appropriate to view it as a tech stock in the tech bundle. Whether you view it as a commodity like gold is somewhat subjective. I like to look at it that way. Some others don't. But I think it's a good framework to think about, specifically relative to the gold trade. And we talked about the 3
now,
reasons
again,
why.
bringing that back to the point, demand is exceeding new supply. So again, it's getting harder and harder for Bitcoin miners to mine Bitcoin. That is the game. That's Satoshi Nakamoto. Potentially David Schwartz. He might be him. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's getting harder and harder. Plan B puts out some pretty incredible charts. Bitcoin 200-week moving average. Look at this, is diverging from the 200-week geometric mean gray line, indicating a bull market is building just like 2013, 2017, 2020, and 2021. You can see it right here. So it is building. Very, very nice to see that. And of course, these are the bull markets right here. You've got 2013, 2014. 2018 was the peak. Let's have a look here. 21, peak again. Very, very nice to see that. So we are building. It's been long. It has been long, I will say that. It's very tiring, but we get there, guys. We'll get there. And Eric Trump, very, very bullish, as always, on cryptocurrency. It's very nice. And look at this. Coinbase just became the first and only crypto company to join the S&P 500. This milestone represents the true believers, the retail investors, the institutional investors, to our employees and partners. Knew all along crypto's here to stay. Well done, Brian. Congratulations, mate. Much respect and love. Anyway, guys, I'm out. Thank you very much. Join earncurveinvest.com. The link is below. And of course, Money Never Sleeps, my dividend investing book. Go read it. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate every single one of you, as always. And I'll be back tomorrow. Peace, guys. Bye.